Hello students, welcome back to this new session. Here I have come up with one more important topic of Laplace transform, that is inverse Laplace transform. Right now we are solving. There is a new topic here, that is, as you see it on your screen, we will be working for the inverse Laplace transform by completing square method. Okay, so exactly what we are going to do here, that you need to see. Okay, already we have solved a few properties. I guess you remember my previous sessions. We have discussed the properties of Laplace transforms. Okay, amongst them there was one property, if the Laplace transform of f of t is equal to f bar of s, then the L of the Laplace transform of e to power at into f of t will be f bar of s minus a. That is, wherever you have s in the Laplace transform of f of t, wherever you have s, you replace everything by s minus a, because e to power at has been multiplied in the left hand side. So you take you consider this. Okay, if we have studied this already and we have solved a number of problems on this. Okay, now we are going to do its reverse, that is, we will find the L inverse of f bar of s minus a. So definitely if I take L inverse to this side, or I can write the same equation like this as L inverse of f bar of s minus a is equal to this thing, that is e to power at into f of t. Okay, so using this we'll be solving certain problems. Okay, by completing square. Just stay tuned, take a pen and a paper and start working with the problems with me. Okay, yes. So here is one problem for you, that is, find the inverse Laplace transform of s square divided by s plus 1 the whole cube. It's very simple. You may feel it difficult, but just see, look about your s square. How can I write my s square? S square can be written as, what is s plus 1 the whole square? Yes, first consider s plus 1 the whole square. It is nothing but s square plus 2s plus 1. Okay, so I want only s square out of it. So it becomes what? S plus 1 the whole square minus 2s minus 1. Is it not? Minus 2s minus 1 it becomes. Okay, but I want everything in terms of s plus 1 only. Okay, because the denominator is s plus 1. So it will be what? S plus 1 the whole square minus, I'll take 2 common. Okay, I'll write it as s plus 1 only over here, so that it becomes 2s minus 2. Minus 2s minus 2 it becomes. Already there is minus 1 here. Okay, so I will add 2 and subtract 2. I have already subtracted 2, so plus 2 minus 1 it becomes, because just see, minus 2 plus 2 gets cancelled, you still have minus 2s which is there here, and minus 1 is there already. So it can be written as s plus 1 whole square plus, minus 2 times s plus 1 plus 2 minus 1, it's plus 1. Okay, I hope it is seen there. Yes, see there. If you simplify this, is this plus 2s, minus 2s minus 2 plus 1, which is minus 1, which is 1 and the same. So the numerator, it was simply s square, but I am going to replace it by this term. So therefore, s square divided by s plus 1 whole cube becomes what? It will be s plus 1 whole square minus 2 times s plus 1 plus 1 over s plus 1 the whole cube. Now I will separate all the terms. So here you have got s plus 1 the whole square divided by s plus 1 whole cube. So it becomes 1 divided by s plus 1. Just see. Minus, here you have got 2 into s plus 1 divided by s plus 1 whole cube. So one of that bracket will get cancelled. You will have s plus 1 square. Similarly, plus 1 divided by s plus 1 whole cube. Try to simplify it this way, all of you. Okay, I hope it is clear to all of you here. Now take the L inverse. Therefore, L inverse of s square divided by s plus 1 the whole cube will be what? It will be L inverse of 1 divided by s plus 1 minus 2 divided by s plus 1 whole square plus 1 divided by s plus 1 whole cube. Okay. Now first thing, it's very simple. It is, what is inverse Laplace transform of 1 divided by s plus 1? It will be definitely e to power minus t, because you all know the Laplace transform of e to power minus t is 1 divided by s plus 1. Okay, and here also it is s plus 1, here also it is s plus 1. It means what? By using this property, By using this property, we can write the solution for this, okay? Only thing is that you have to consider now, you just remove s plus 1 and write it as in place of s plus 1, you please write it as s. So what do you get? You get 2 divided by s square or no? Or just remove that 2 also, it is however constant. Wherever it is s plus 1, simply write s there. So what is L inverse of this? You all know very well. The L inverse of this is t. The L inverse of this is t. So you remove your s plus 1, simply write it as s. So it becomes s square here, is it not? So I want L inverse of 1 divided by s square. It is t or no? So you will get that, but since it is in place of s, you are writing s plus 1. Using this property, what do you get? Means what? You have to multiply e to power minus t there. Yes or no? So minus 2 into e to power minus t into t you will get. Similarly, the last one, you all know what is L inverse of. I'll continue it here, just see. You know the L inverse of, again here, in place of s plus 1, you simply write s. So you get 1 divided by s cube or no? What is L inverse of 1 divided by s cube? It is t square divided by 2 factorial, which is 2. Okay? But since there is s plus 1, it is plus 1 the whole cube. In place of s, there is s plus 1. By using this property again, you can write it as plus e to power, since it is plus 1 here, it will be e to power minus t into t square divided by 2. Or you can take e to the power minus t common, 1 minus 2t plus t square by 2. This is the most simplified form of this problem. Okay, simplified form of this problem. So I hope it is clear to you. If still you have any doubts, do ask me in my WhatsApp group. Okay. Now let us solve this new problem. Find the inverse Laplace transform of this. Okay. Take a pen and a paper and start working with me. Okay, all of you. Now first let us write this. What is this denominator? What is s square plus 6s plus 9? It is nothing but s plus 3 the whole square. Because s square plus 9, 3 square plus 2 times 3, it is 6 into s. Yes, use that formula. So the denominator is something like this. It can be written as s plus 1 divided by s plus 3 the whole square. But in numerator there is s plus 1. I want to change that numerator to match it with the denominator. Just see, so that it will be easy for you. So wherever you have s, please pay attention all of you. Wherever you have s, it should be of the same type. Now see, in denominator I cannot do anything. But in numerator I can do it. What? I can add 3 and subtract 3 so that it matches the denominator. So do that. So it will become what? S plus 3 plus 1 minus 3 I will do. Divided by s plus 3 whole square. I can do it like this. Now this is again equal to what? I will take it as s plus 3 plus 1 minus 3, it is minus 2 divided by s plus 3 whole square. Now wherever it is s plus 3, I'll take that one term, and minus 2 divided by that I'll take as another term, so that I can be able to cancel it. Therefore L inverse of s plus 1 divided by s square plus 6s plus 9 will be what? L inverse of s plus 3 divided by s plus 3 square. I am separating the terms now. 2 divided by s plus 3 square. Okay, s plus 3 the whole square. Now again, one of the brackets from here will get cancelled. It is L inverse of 1 divided by s plus 3 the whole square minus L inverse of, okay, let me write it together. 1 minute all of you. Yes, you got cancelled this. Okay, so minus 2 divided by s plus 3 the whole square. Now since it is not simply s, it has s plus 3. So therefore everywhere it is s plus 3. So there should be e to power minus 3t multiplied because of this property. Just separate that. Now write L inverse as, you can solve it like this also, or directly also you can write the solution. Choice is up to you. All you have to do is, once you arrive at this stage, just compare this thing with this. In place of your simple s, you have got s minus a form, that is s plus 3 you all have. That is the value for a is minus 3. Okay, so means what you have to accompany the f of t with e to the exponential term. What is that exponential term? E to power minus 3t, because the value for a is minus 3. Is it not? Because of this property. Now what you do, once you write this e to power minus 3t, eliminate the 3 from there and write this simple thing. It is 1 by s minus 2 divided by s square, something like this. Okay, once you have written e to power minus 3t outside, why you have written minus 3t outside, e to power minus 3t outside? Because it is not simply s, it is s plus 3 here also and here also. So it means what, using that property, e to power minus 3t should appear here. L inverse of, now once you have written that e to power minus 3t, that part is been done. So you have to eliminate that 3 from the, along with s, whatever we have s plus 3, you eliminate that s plus 3 there and simply write s. So you will get L inverse of 1 divided by s minus 2 divided by s square. That is, you are simply replacing s plus 3 by s, nothing else. Now you know the L inverse of this very well. So e to the power minus 3t, L inverse of 1 by s is 1 only, minus L inverse of 1 by s square, 2 as it is t. So this is the complete solution for this problem. I hope it is clear to all of you, but still if you have any doubts, please do ask me in my WhatsApp group, and we will solve one more problem on. Now let us solve one more problem on this, that is 2s minus 1 divided by s square plus 4s plus 29. Okay, now first we have to solve for this, that is we have to see how we can write the denominator. Okay, first let us consider the denominator. We know that s square plus 4s plus 29 can be written as s square plus 4s plus 4 plus 25. Is it not? Yes? Okay. So this is equal to, now this part, just consider this part. This is nothing but s plus 2 the whole square. And what is this? Plus 5 square. Means the denominator can be written like this. Okay. So I will use this in the denominator. Therefore, 2s minus 1 divided by s square plus 4s plus 29 can be written as 2s minus 1 divided by s plus 2 whole square plus 5 square. Is it? Okay. Now once we are done up till here, now in place of simple s in the denominator, I have got s plus 2. Means in the numerator also I should get s plus 2 form only. Wherever it is s, I should get s plus 2. Then only I will be able to solve it. So I should match the numerator, the denominator with, I should match the numerator with the denominator. How am I going to do it? So simple, all you need to do is write 2 as it is from the numerator. Okay, take your bracket s, you add 2 with this s and subtract 2 with this. So it will become s plus 2 minus 2 minus 1 divided by s plus 2 whole square plus 5 square. I can do it like this, see. Now this will be equal to what? It is nothing but 2 times s plus 2. I am not going to change it anyhow. Now this 2 into s plus 2 I am going to keep it as it is, because I don't want to change that s plus 2. Okay. Now 2 into 2, which is minus sign is there. So minus 4 minus 1 divided by s plus 2 whole square plus 5 square. Now this can be further simplified as, I am going to separate the terms now, those which are having with s and those which are independent with s in the numerator. Okay. So minus 4 minus 1 minus 5 divided by the same denominator. Yes. I hope it is clear to all of you till here. Okay. Now we will take L inverse now. Therefore L inverse of, I hope it is seen. 1 minute. I will make it correct. Okay. 2s minus 1 divided by s square plus 4s plus 29 is equal to L inverse of 2 times s plus 2 divided by s plus 2 square plus 5 square minus 5 divided by s plus 2 whole square plus 5 square. Now everywhere in place of s I have got s plus 2. By again using the same property which I have repeatedly saying you, we are going to multiply it by e to the power at. Here the value for a is, you can clearly say in place of s, minus a. In place of s minus a, you have got s plus 2. So definitely the value for a is what? A is 2. Sorry, minus 2. A is minus 2. So therefore, you are going to multiply the complete thing by e to power minus 2t into L inverse of, now what you are going to do, one important step, wherever it is s plus 2, you are going to simply write it as s. So that is 2s divided by s square plus 5 square. Is it not? Because I have already written that exponential part in the beginning. I don't have to again change it. Okay. So minus 5 divided by s square plus 5 square. Now easily you can write the inverses of both the terms here. E to power minus 2t, 2 constant as it is. What is L inverse of s divided by s square plus 5 square? Obviously it is cos 5t minus, what is L inverse of 5 divided by s square plus 5 square? Definitely it is sin 5t. Divided by 5 need not write. Why? Because already 5 is there in the numerator. Even if you write it, it will get cancelled. Okay. So this is the complete solution for this problem. If you have any doubt, do ask me in our WhatsApp group. Till then, thank you.